Ever wondered why your skin keeps acting up? Dryness, breakouts, irritation, even with a good routine? The answer might be in your skin's microbiome. Ponds flew us all the way to Thailand for something big, and trust me, it was worth the flight. IMCAS 2025, we got an exclusive first look at the Hydra Miracle Ultralight Biome Gel straight from the Unilever Science Lounge. This ultralight gel is powered by millions of prebiotics and Sera-Hyamino, designed to rebalance your skin's microbiome, that invisible layer above your skin barrier, your first line of defense. Remember, an unbalanced microbiome means a compromised barrier, acne, dryness, and inflammation. But with Pond's Hydra Miracle Ultralight Biome Gel, you're getting stronger, plumper, radiant skin in just 7 days. The texture, ultralight. The results, plump, resilient, glowing skin. From imbalance to skin harmony, that's the Pond's promise.